Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you our new snow action made by Tunic Labs. We're releasing it very soon, and this will serve as the official tutorial video. I want to show it to you on two different images. One is a somewhat wintry look photo, and one was a photo taken in the dead of summer. And the reason I want to do that is I want to show you that this snow action can be literally used on almost any photograph. But first we're going to start on the first photo, and I'm going to use just the add snow action. So first thing it's going to do is put a little bit of a snowy overlay on it, just like a wintry look. So now we're going to pick our snow overlay. This pack comes with 5 of them, but you can use anything you find on the internet, or you can purchase more from us. Obviously, that's the one I want you to do, but this will work with any snow overlay. So we just place it, and it's probably going to be a square image, but the good thing with snow is we can stretch it out pretty much any way we want. And the reason we do this kind of gives you unlimited combinations. So even if you have different, if you have like a whole set you're doing of 5 photos, you can just place it differently and it looks completely different on every photo. So we're just going to center it perfectly. And once you place it, it's going to do all the work for you. That's it. It's done now. You can actually export this and be finished. But there's a few options that you have. Say you want to double the snow, you can just click this action. And what it's going to do is actually add completely to it, and it kind of randomizes it and turns it over so it doesn't just duplicate the snow, it puts it in all new positions. So, okay, that's great, but her face is completely covered and we kind of lost her. So what we can do now is click this action right here, remove snow from the model, and it's going to prompt you to use a brush. We're going to shrink it a little bit because we don't want to do that. And basically what you want to do is just move the snow out of the important places like her eyes and maybe her face and those big ones. You do want to leave a little bit so it's, it looks natural. That's perfect to me. I would export that and be finished with it. Here's just an example of what it does. Like, it kind of removes the snow from wherever you brush. And you can just use that to your heart's content. You can also add motion to the snow clicking this if you want to kind of give it a more blizzardy look. You can make the snow more visible, which will take all the snow on the image and kind of blow it up a little bit. Kind of give it more depth. I don't use that very often. I kind of like it as is, but the option is there for you. Okay, so now that we did that one, we're going to do this, and this was, as you can see, taken in the dead of summer. So now we're going to do add snow non-winter photographs. And the first thing it's going to do is drop those greens significantly, because what you want to do is you want to give it the impression, you just want to get rid of the green so you can add the snow silver type effect to it. So once that is finished, we're going to keep going. And now at this point, it's the same exact thing as the previous one. So we're going to add the snow overlay, and you can try all 5 of them to see which one you like the best. I personally like the first one. That's just my preference though. So I want to place this one just to get a bit more, a different design from the first one. I want to place that like that. And that's it. You'll see that this has a completely different look. It dropped the greens. It gave it a nice wintry look everywhere. If you want, you can always do a wintry sky swap up top so it looks even a little bit less sunny. But that's it. That's how easy it is. So now that we're finished, we can also remove the snow from the model, or again, we can double it. And there it is. We have even more snow. And maybe we just want to get rid of a little bit of it from her face area. That's it. Or if you find it's too much over here, you can always do that, or, whatever you want. That's it. So then once that's finished, you can just click that to see the difference. And once you're finished that, you can just flatten the image or export it as is, and you're all set. So that's it. I hope this worked out for you great. If not, let me know, and I can help you make it work for you. All right, guys, have a good day.